Hey guys, welcome back to Delvestack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Firefox content length mismatch. So guys, if this ever happened to you, it means that the size of the data sent by a web server doesn't match the size specified in its own content length. So guys, this means you have a corrupted cache file that doesn't match the updated version of the server. So in order for you to fix that, the only solution that you could have is by resetting your Firefox. So you could do that by selecting the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and then over here guys, you could just simply go for the settings on the pop-up, and then over here you could just simply go for the left side, privacy and security, and from here you could just simply scroll down and you should be able to have an option clear browsing data over here. And now over here guys, you will have an option everything, and make sure to select all of it over here to reset your Firefox data, and you can just simply select clear, and pretty much guys, that's the way to do it. And another one is you could just simply search for acceleration, and from here you could also go for use recommended performance settings and make sure that this is checked over here. I hope this video helped you understand more guys. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.